Pop-up chat. Doo 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 doo.
Bullish bias and a sweep of sell.
We're live on YouTube. Join up. We're live. We live on YouTube. Midnight lows, which could be Asia lows. We have London highs up here. Let's look at the daily. Take some daily liquidity. Neutral bias, not really bearish or bullish. Consolidating on the 4-hour is crazy. Do we expect to trade into the gap? This gap, bullish gap? Perhaps we'll see. Kind of neutral bias, nothing. We did take some minor sell side liquidity. The 1 hour, we're trading off a 1 hour FVG. Looks to be getting respected. We're bullish. Bullish. We have these equal highs up here. Equal highs. We have London highs. We have Asia lows down here. Same thing. You have this low right here. We have this low, which is external. Yo, 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 we're live on YouTube. Join up. Come join up. We're live on YouTube. We have the equal highs. We live on YouTube. We're looking for trade at 8:45. We only trade macros. We're live. My phone's about to die, but come join up. I already have some people tapping into the stream. We got my boy Rai, my boy Nico. What's up? I'm muted. What? Are you for real? Hello? Doesn't say I'm muted. Can you hear me? Yo, 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 am I muted? Is it fixed or not? Psych, man, this guy playing tricks on it and shit. Come join up. Join the live. We're live on YouTube. My people from Instagram. Join the live. Thank you, my boy Nico, for letting me know. Grazie. Grazie mille. We got our kill zones marked out. We got our liquidity zones. I would consider this London low. Didn't even get taken. Neither on NQ or ES. It did take the body though. My phone's about to die, but just come join up. Come join up. My phone's about to die. I'm at 1%, but join up on YouTube. We're live on YouTube. Don't miss out.
The market is open.
I'm gonna have to upload a story. I'm gonna end the stream. Join up. Join up. Hurry, hurry. Copy. What is Villa talking? What wick is he talking about? I didn't see no wick. Join the live stream. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I know what he's talking about. He's talking about that wick, right? My boy Rye already looking for trades and shit. We're just watching. This low didn't get taken. I would be careful with that London low. We want to see Asia get taken. Is the stream good? Is everything good with the stream? I think I can move this a little bit. Let me check. Move this a little bit to the side. Right there. It's the perfect spot. Could have that. Let's do this. Let's do this. Careful, right? Because on market open, that shit happens more often than not. Just be careful out there, buddy. Be careful out there. Vete por la banqueta type shit. Type sheet, type sheet, type sheet. Couple more minutes for the macro. Learn my lesson. Did you though? Something only we know. I mean, something that's taking me off is we didn't sweep the low, you know? We bearish or what the fuck? Look, we do top-down analysis. Let's look at the daily. On the daily, we're neutral. We took some liquidity. Price could literally go anywhere, so we're neutral buys on the daily. On the 4 hour, we're fucking consolidating. We're neutral. Neutral bias. But I would expect that we're gonna tap into this daily fair value gap. I mean, this 4 hour fair value gap, either continue to dump or inverse it, trade into it. But as you can see here, we have equal highs right there. And here and here. There's a lot of buy side liquidity to be taken. So on the 4 hour, I'm neutral as well, but I'm more inclined bullish. And then on the 1 hour, you can see here we're respecting a bullish fair value gap right there. We're about to inverse this fair value gap, which we already did. So I'm bullish on the 1 hour. 15-minute, I'm bullish. We're respecting this bullish order block right here. The only thing that's ticking me off is that, I mean, I'm definitely bullish bias because of the equal highs right there. The only thing that's taking me off is we didn't sweep the London low. Asia lows is still untapped, so I would be careful. We are, however, here, we're gonna leave big ass gaps to these bearish order blocks. Maybe we could find a unicorn continuation entry, maybe. Maybe, Doug. 30 seconds for candle close. We're just tearing through it. I have no rush to do anything. Literally just observing. Gotta be reactive to that price. I mean, we do have. I mean, I don't think I want to see it trade back into this. It's way too far. Maybe trade back into this. Maybe. Or this. I mean, it's just ripping. ES still doesn't even take the high. I mean, but it's about to. So much bullish order flow, bro. Bullish as fuck. I mean, yeah, those equal highs about to be taken. ES still doesn't even take Asia. ES is failing to take Asia. I would be careful. I mean, it should follow up, but I don't know. ES still not taking Asia. We're watching real close. ES failed to take Asia. I don't know if I want to compromise in the long since the slow didn't get taken. We're watching. I mean, this could be a valid entry for a continuation long since there's equal highs. Probably, maybe give it a stab. If it gets tapped, it would look something like this. Like that. Oof, it did get tapped right there. Might have missed the train. We might have missed the train. Doesn't matter, it's just ripping. Alright, ES took the high. ES still has a long way to go. towards, well, not really a long way, about 40 handles to take the equal high, while NQ, damn, NQ's fucking heavier though. About 30 handles, just about even. Yeah, we definitely did get an entry here to the tick. Look, beautifully. So limit right there. Target the equal highs right here. The high got taken. You would move your stop loss. I don't even know to where though. So I don't think break even's the play. I mean, we're still hoping to get tapped and filled on the 2 minute. Watching closely. We might have missed the trade, but it's all good. It's all good. Those equal highs definitely the target. How many handles is this? About 70. Yeah, those equal highs gonna get ripped. Just about. Dude, we have an entry. This week is weird. 938, nah, no entry. 940, no entry. Yeah, low key, high key, we just fucking ripped. My bad. I mean, I'm just watching though. Are we gonna get an entry on the 2 minute? Like do a fill order? Maybe. Mm, maybe. At 24,723. 24,723. That's if we get filled. We're not stressing if we don't get filled. Price is just pumping. Struggling. You want to see that high get taken? Yep, it's Gonzo. We had an entry at the 1 minute right here. Tapped beautifully to the tick. Little continuation model. Yep, that's the play. And that's take profit taken. There's bearish SMT with ES. I mean, I don't doubt ES will follow, but equal highs. There's some more equal highs here. Yeah, there's a lot of buy side liquidity to go to. This London low's untapped, Asia low's untapped. I would be careful. I would be careful. I mean, it could just be a bullish day trading off that 1 hour bullish FVG. There's no imbalances on this side. I mean, up until these equal highs, I could definitely see a rip up. Do we have news today? I didn't even check. We have some low impact at 9. President Trump speaking at 11:15. Man, get out. Oh, it's 12:50. It's gonna be 12:15. FOMC in the PM. Fuck, we might stick around. We see no trade. Shit's just pumping, dog. Straight pumping. Good job on people that got the longs. Straight pumping. Nothing for me yet. There's been no unicorn. Only unicorn is here, but it's pre macro. 938. Big wicks and shit. Don't want any part of that. Just straight pumping. Yes, still doesn't even take these equal highs. It's close though. Dude, we have an entry on ES as well. Not sure we did. But we're watching, we're waiting for that 1 hour candle switch, 5 minutes. There's gonna be low impact news. I expect some volatility to come in. There's been no retracements on the 5 minute, just straight pumping. Super efficient delivery. Almost 300 handles is crazy, bro. What a pump. We've taken some more equal highs. Not really. This is the highest point. I mean, but yes, really, we've taken very important liquidity. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just watching. There's nothing for me. No unicorn model has printed. So we're just watching. Prices just fucking pumping. I don't see it reversing anytime soon. We're waiting for that volatility from that low impact news at 9 a.m. I mean 10 a.m. New York time. You can see the clock right here. Somewhere here. I mean, I'm sketched out. We didn't take London lows. Asia low still untapped. We are for sure just observing. Uh, ES barely took these equal highs. The 15-minute for ES. Ooh, there was SMT. Let me see. Let me see something. Yeah, no more SMT. Because there was SMT and these two equal highs with ES. Already came filled those. I mean, are we just gonna like straight fucking pump? I don't know, man. No FOMO here, but we might. There's still some buy side up there. Damn, it's just fucking pumping. I didn't think like we were gonna trade through this in this 4 hour, you know? There's some 1 minute to candle close, bro. It seems to be like that's what it wants to fucking trade into. Like, holy shit. 4 hour. Yep, there's that same gap here on ES. Same gap on ES. Super efficient price action, but it's leaving a lot of imbalances. A lot. Huge pump. We have London low untapped, Asia lows untapped. I would tread very carefully once we tap into it. Do we want to inverse it? I don't know, man. Shit's just pumping, dog. You could literally take along wherever and make money with no drawdown. Probably here, if you longed here, full ported here, you're cooked. But other than that, straight delivery, bro, where it wants to go. We missed a 1 minute entry down here. Just about tapped into the imbalance to continue to pump. But I ain't too worried about that. Alright, we got our candle switch. It's 10 a.m. We're waiting. Just watch it. Absolutely no rush to do anything. There's hella macros still to go. The match just started. No rush. You most definitely want to trade into that 4 hour. Let's name it. 4 hour FBG. Let's go on the 4 hour. Let me move it a little bit to the side so we can see that. The 1 minute. Damn. God damn. But it's right here. What you talk about? There you go. There you go. Just watching. I saw there was some highs over here. Probably want to see it with SMT. ES is hella close to taking these. Closer than we have SMTs. Are we gonna get a forever model type shit? We're close to tapping. Forever model would be juicy. We want to see ES trade into it, take the highs, and NQ fail to take the highs, and a dump. Maybe it's delusional. Maybe it isn't. The thing is, the macro's about to finish. About 12 minutes. Want to see this be the one that takes us higher. This bullish order block, or what's it want to do? Yep. We're tapping into it. ES is not even close to tapping. We're trading inside that 4 hour. We want to see a shift in market structure. Is he gonna respect this bullish order block? Or does he want to shift? Seems to be respecting. Our first red candle in a while. That push higher. ES is not close to that 4 hour. It's about $7 away. $9, $10 away. We're watching. Was the whole point to deliver to that 4 hour? Maybe. Do I want to trade against the trend? Not really. Do I want to trade a retracement? Maybe, yeah. About 10 more minutes for this macro, which is 2 more 5 minutes. So far, we have no bearish 5 minute candles since open. Straight pumping. Just watching. There's no rush to do anything. There's still hella macros to go. The match just fucking started. Why would I force a trade? No rush. Just observing. If we're gonna go short, we want to see a market structure shift. A clear market structure shift. I don't want to try to take the whole move down just a retracement, maybe. Trading inside of bearish PD array. Does it want to inverse it? Maybe. We don't know. We react to the market. Yes, still not close to taking the 4 hour. I want to look at this 3-second OB, which was previously respected. Watching closely. There's still highs at 24,954. Kind of wicking. Starting to reject a little more in this zone. A lot of sell orders. Up here, alright, we're starting to kind of want to inverse, maybe. We most definitely want to see the shift down here. Just watching. Just watching. Did anybody take the longs since market open? I don't know what strat you all trade. We want to see the shift down here. About 5 minutes for the macro, last 5 minute candle. Are we gonna see our first bearish close? We are. Let's look at the 30-second. Okay. Okay. We want to see it leave a gap. 5, 4. Might be risky. That's if it leaves a gap. Nope. No gap. Invalidated. Yup, look at the big ass wick. We don't want no part of that. Respecting the bullish order block. Inversing this mitigation block right here. Bullish order flow still getting respected. Ya tenía un long. Pero saqué por culón. Rip. Trust the strap ready. It happens though. There's still more time left on the market, so there's definitely still going to be more opportunities. We want to see these highs get taken. Putting SMT. Let's remove all this noise. You have this order block. We want to see the highs get taken sometime soon. ES is about $7 for that fair value gap. We still don't tap on ES. We have around 3 more minutes for the macro. We don't have to force nothing. Look, we're getting a bullish unicorn printing out right here. Bearish mitigation into a breakaway gap into the tap. But what would you target? Your stop loss would have to be in this gap right here. You want a tight 2 to 1. Take those highs, I will move to break even. This unicorn shit is fucking sweet as fuck. You wanna see that high get taken? It's struggling though. There's some equal highs here where I have this line. It's struggling. And we're just observing. The macro's just about finished. I might push it to 1020 maybe. Has to be something super clear. I don't want to take long here because we're already super overextended in the range. We're trading into bearish PD array. We have a lot of imbalances. A lot of imbalances that are most definitely gonna get filled. I'm not saying they're gonna get filled today. We finally took the highs. We have this new order block. ES is super close to tapping that 4 hour. Just not quite. Yep. Remember that trade, that 2 to 1 with the unicorn? Below here. About right there. What is this? About 40 handles, 37, just about. Unicorn is straight butter, bro. I fucking love it. You even had the 1 minute you could have traded into, but this stop loss would have been sketchy. Same idea, but usually on the unicorn you want to put it below every bullish period array, so it would have to be right there. And the 2 to 1, which is minimum you want to target, is going to be right there, still kind of high. So I feel like the 30-second was much more cleaner, more refined. There was also a 1 minute entry unicorn we had here. You could see it taps to the tick. Sheesh, that's beautiful. It just straight fucking pumps. We didn't take the trade because we had just taken London highs. We had London lows, Asia lows, untapped. There's some more external liquidity down here. Um, this is just straight like dumping, leaving a lot of bullish imbalances. I don't want to force no trade. I don't want to FOMO trade, you know. Um, Y'all could stick around. I'm probably gonna go lay down and fucking bed. I need to fix my charger, bro. I don't know what's going on with my phone. The Instagram's getting a lot of traction. The video I uploaded yesterday got traction overnight. It was sitting about 500 views when I went to sleep. It's at 2.5K. That's fucking crazy. Um, see though. We're gonna wait till next macro, which is 10:45 New York, to look for a trade. Okay, just wanna flip. We're watching this become a bearish breaker. Is that hopeful? Maybe. Maybe. Bullish order flow still strong with this one. Brutal bump. Pump. Bump. Brutal pump. A lot of buy side to be taken. A lot of moves to retrace. Or is this just part of a bearish order flow? A lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low. Are we in the higher low stage right here? To continue to dump? Is that what's going on here? We're watching that market structure shift real close. Real close. Now it wants to charge. Oh, look. And just as I say that, it wicks. What's that close gonna be like? And is it gonna leave a gap? No gap. If y'all want to see me play some chess, you're more than welcome to stay. I'm gonna stick around. Like, what the hell is going on, bro? Just let me play some bullet while I watch price action still. It's still pumping. Holy hell. Still pumping. Still pumping. Somewhere only we know. Well played. Oof, gave the piece back. Oh, we're shifting now. We're shifting on price action. Careful. Did this guy just give up? We're shifting. We're watching closely. I could definitely see you consolidate for a bit. Somewhere only we know. We probably want to see this being the market structure shit. We're waiting, we're waiting. We're patient traders. Let me read you a part of the trader's manuscript that I have here on my wall. It says, I'm a professional trader. I move with purpose, not emotion. My job is not to predict. My job is to react with discipline. So far, there's nothing to react off. There's nothing to do here, There's sometimes you just gotta sideline. We definitely missed a couple entries, but if I'm not sure, if I'm not confident, honestly, I'd rather not take it. We had an entry here at the 1 minute. It tapped beautifully to the tick. You see this blue line? That was my entry, and we pumped. Why did I not take it? Because we had taken equal highs up here. London is still untapped. You see it failed to tap it. Asia lows and external lows here still untapped. Overall, the trend is bearish. Damn, sorry for the execution, but overall, like the trend has been bearish. This could simply be a case of lower low, higher low type shit. Lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. We're in a downtrend, so we gotta take all things into consideration. If you could see the 5 minute, there was no tap into any imbalance except for here, and we pumped a little bit, but this is already like in the premium. Like you definitely don't want to fucking long on the fucking premium. So we're just fucking chilling. You gotta be silent sometimes. We're starting to accumulate. After the big push, no rush. I low key want to lay in my bed. By low key, I mean high key. The Instagram community is growing and I fucking love it, bro. The traction we're getting is lovely. Super hyped about that. Super fucking hyped about that. We're getting a lot of private messages from a lot of people asking questions, and I love it. Getting a lot of comments on our videos. We had our last video shoot up overnight. It's fucking dope. Doing live back testing on my disc. I need to fix the link. Respecting the 4 hour FVG for sure, brother. We're consolidating right now. I would wait for 10:45. Let's look at the news. Usually they change them. 9:30 we have some low impact, which is right now. I mean, we could also just consolidate till Trump speaks, you know? Probably we're gonna get a move in the PM. We don't know. There's nothing right now, you know? Don't try to jump the gun like being ready to shoot the gun. Like just chill the fuck out. I'm telling this to myself, by the way. Just fucking chilling. If I'm being real. Feels lovely. Feeling good, not gonna lie. Very detached. Feeling like I'm just gonna click the button when I see a unicorn type shit. I felt absolutely no FOMO from this move, you know? Like no emotions, no feelings, just observing. Acting like this shit's not possible. Like we had a big ass move yesterday as well, bro. Look at this pump. Like this shit happens on the daily. There's always moves. There's always moves. Just have to be patient enough to get them. So this volatility is that 9:30 low impact for sure. I mean, we could also continue pumping, you know? Minor manipulation into another push higher. We don't know. Overall, the trend looks bearish on the higher time frame. We have a higher high here and then a lower high. I mean, a lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, a higher low. What do you think is going to happen next? There's still some external liquidity here. I mean, price is so far overextended since the dump from April. I mean, we're bound to see some retracements, especially at Q4. Usually it's the same cycle. Like my boy Matrix Villa said, my boy Matrix Fair Value. He's talking about Nvidia earnings that could heavily impact NQ specifically. If we look at the heat map, let's look at the heat map. Oof, look at this beautiful. That's why we're pumping, dog. Nvidia up 3%, 3.5%. Apple's up 1%, 1.5%. Fucking AVGO 5%. Google's up almost 6%, dog. Yeah, we're pumping. We're pumping. I want to see how this changes by tomorrow. But everything's looking green, bro. Like there's nothing enticing about shorting this fucking beautiful green ass heat map, you know? Just some things to keep in mind. We're reactors. We don't want to jump the gun, not just because it's in the 4-hour FPG. It could easily get disrespected. Easily. We want to see a market structure shift. We want to see some confirmation, you know? No confirmation yet. We do fucking nothing. We just watch. We play some chess. That's what we do. Let's play one more. I got 3 people watching me playing chess. I know this is a trading stream, but you gotta kill time sometimes. Shit's kinda buggy. Next macro about to go crazy for sure, brother. We'll be here. I'll be there no matter what, like LeBron says. I don't like that bishop. Let's do this. Alright. We could do this. Oof, he got me. This. 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 Check. Move back. Here. Move here. Wait, can I do something extremely crazy? Okay. Okay. I see what you're doing. Playing games and shit. Let's move here. Move here. Move here. What you gonna do about that, Johnny? Oh no. We're out of time. We're. Fuck. About 9 more minutes for the macro. Fuck. I wanna lay in bed, boys, but I'm not going to just to keep the stream alive. Just to keep the stream alive. I've been getting a lot of questions about Top Step, like if I'm some type of like Top Step CEO or something, about if they're gonna honor you know how they said they're gonna remove the activation fees? Like, for example, I still don't activate my funded. They're asking if that funded's gonna be free type shit. Free. But I don't think they're gonna honor that, you know? I definitely think like that's gonna be like a different set of parameters type shit. I don't think that's gonna get honored. I feel like you're gonna have to buy like other combines. Like they're definitely gonna higher the prices on the combines without the activation fees. So it's probably gonna be like 70, $80 is what I'm thinking. Will make sense to me, you know, instead of 150 to activate it. That'd be dope because in Alpha Futures you have the Alpha Zero one, which you could there's no activation fee and you could pass it in 1 day. Alpha futures. Let's look at it. Uh, the zero count, yeah, Alpha zero plan. It's $100, no activation fee on zero counts. So TopSup's saying that they're gonna. Oh, you can't even see it. My bad. It's this one, the zero, $100, no activation fee on zero counts, and you could pass it on 1 day, bro. That's fucking dope. 3 minis, daily loss guard, bro. Like this is dope, and like they're gonna compete with. They're saying they're gonna have the lowest prices, so it's gonna be under $100, 100%. If it's like fucking $80, I'ma flip out, dog. But still, about 6 more minutes for the macro. This is our market structure shift right here that we want to see. We have we're a market structure shift is printing on ES already. I see it clear as day. We're watching. We're letting patience take control. ES left a beautiful gap, bro, on that market structure shift. ES is leaving beautiful price action. Beautiful unicorn right now on ES printing. We want to see. ES is usually the leading asset between the two. I'm watching ES closely. Left a beautiful gap. I'm thinking of when ES tabs. I'm gonna look for a short. I'm already recording. When ES tabs, I might look for a short. Let's get the 5 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. When ES tabs, we might look for a short, boys. If ES tabs. Still doesn't tab, but it left a beautiful unicorn on ES. Like beautiful, beautiful unicorn on ES. If it taps, I might go short. Still don't get a tap. I'm not gonna jump the gun. NQ still doesn't shift. There's a beautiful unfilled unicorn on ES currently. We want to see a market structure shift on NQ as well. That would be nice. Still a couple more minutes for the macro. I do want to see ES tap that. We're shifting. Getting our shift on NQ. Beautiful shift on NQ. Did you say there's a gap right there? Would you count that as a gap? Oh no, there's a gap right there. There's a tiny gap. We're watching. There's still no unicorn. I'm only gonna trade the unicorn. Getting a beautiful shift in market structure though. Beautiful. We even have this 5 minute look right here. Let me delete all this bullshit. You have this beautiful 5 minute unicorn right here. You want to see it get respected. ES is coming to trade back into that unicorn. We might short. We're waiting. We're waiting. Still doesn't tap. We're waiting. Still doesn't tap. We tapped. Waiting for a reaction.
Order filled.
We're short. We're short. ES tap that. Tap that unicorn beautifully. We want to see NQ deliver nicely. We sweep the lows. We can put our stop loss here. Above this high, we want to see it continue dumping. Move to break even once we take this low. Moving to break even because he has swept the lows. You want to see a flush. Oh my god. You want to see that flush. About 50 handles. Maybe we want to target like 50%. Just right there. And we want to see that clean delivery. Let me fix my screen for the recording. Did anybody take this trade with me or no? Anybody in shorts with me? Shorts. Let's go. Let's go, Nico. We're tapping into that 5 minute fair value gap. Thread carefully. I'm moving my stop loss because we left the gap here. We want to see that gap get respected. It shouldn't trade back to it. We're getting some beautiful displacement. We want to see that flush. Oof, nice, nice.
Order filled.
I'm out. We fucking take those. Good job, congrats. Thanks, brother. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Fucking patience to the tick. We took one trade today, bro. One trade. Plays out beautifully. Oh my god. I'm still in. Good luck, brother. Beautiful fucking trade, bro. Copy traded on 2 combines. We got our video ready. We crazy with it, not gonna lie. Extreme patience. We got a fucking sniper entry right there. I would be careful, my boy Rai, because we're trading into a bullish PDO raise. There is still a lot of room to fall, however. So you could definitely hold all the way down to like London lows, bro. Asia lows, like maybe a runner, maybe. Or if you want to go crazy and be rich in one day, for sure. Did anybody else take shorts with me? We're dumping beautifully. We take what the market gives us. We're happy with the result. We were fucking patient, bro. Beautiful. I'm on the stream. Buy still bullish for sure, brother. I want to be careful with the shorts. There's still a lot of room to drop, however. I'm just a little lower. I would take partials, maybe. Consider it. Do you. I'm not going to tell you how to trade. Just do you. But be careful, brother. Be careful. But you could definitely hodl all the way to Asia lows, bro. It's big, big money. Big, big money right there. We're dropping. We're dropping, bro. We got a beautiful trade, dog. I think I'm gonna end the stream here. We fucking won. Thank you everyone so much for tuning in. I'm gonna go ahead and record the video. Get ready to upload. GG's.